Hey everybody, it's Earl coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. Check out this Ghost Gray 1967 Pro Touring LS Camaro. Just came in. Great driver. It's got a lot of fun features we're gonna go through. First to start with here, all LS powered. It's been totally reworked, this engine. Everything just like a modern day car today. Power steering, power brakes, upgraded headers, real clean inside the cabin. Aluminum radiator with dual fans, air conditioning. Of course, your 5.7 that's been totally reworked. Real nice setup underneath there. Everything, when I go through it, it's modernized. The dark gray with the black painted on hood is done right. Driver quality, it's been done a little ways from now, so I'd say it's gonna need a few little things, but nothing of major. Sitting on Riddler 18-inch with front wheel disc brakes. Your glass in front is good. It's got sport mirrors. Paint is, here, like I'll show you here. A nice little chip there, but not bad. Roof line is good. All your glass on the side and moldings are good. Got 18-inch Riddlers on the back. Paint shines good. You can see right through that reflection. It's a good looking car. All soundproof in the trunk. They did it right. Blacked out bumpers. I like it because there's no badging on it. So it's been all blacked out. Real good look. Trunk lines up good. The glass on the rear is good as well. No real paint chips on this side. All throughout. Vent windows. Some of the moldings inside here could probably be touched up a little bit. But that's it, nothing bad, you know, little stuff. A few little spots on the dash, but like I said, it's straight. Look at how nice it's got. All the eyeball. Great stands. Some of the things I really like about it, when you get inside, it's fully, looks like it came out of anywhere from a 99 to a 2002 Camaro. Complete everything. Got 6x9s, headliner's okay. Door panels, got a 6-speed manual transmission. And then everything inside here looks like it came out of one of the late model Camaros. So you've got tilt, you've got air conditioning. Dash has a couple little boo-boos in it, but nothing bad. See how the airbags, they fitted everything in here good. Speakers in the side. Here, I'll show you. It's got a nice cam in there. 6-speed manual, all power seats that work. Set up nice. Nice Pioneer sound system. Tilt. Leather interior. Very cool how they did it. All your gauges are working exactly the way they should. Nice cam, posi rear end. Seat bolster here, just a small repair. That's all it's gonna need. Back seat's fine. I saw some seat belts in the trunk. So very little, but fun car. A lot of nice features on this. We're located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We've got over 260 cars in stock, ready for delivery. We do offer special financing if you have good credit, up to 180 months, and we ship all over the United States, bonded and insured, enclosed and open. All our vehicles you could be found on our website at mgmclassiccars.com. All our descriptions, videos, and photographs are there. Feel free to go over there. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. So get a pen, get a piece of paper. I'll give you my number. It's 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. Again, that's 773-600-0919. Like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for spending some time with me on this 67 Camaro. Real nice car. Give us a call. Thank you.